This is a review of D-Lead detergent and D-Lead body wash and shampoo. I use these after I shoot to reduce the amount of lead I absorb because lead is a poison. After I shoot, I'll clean my clothes and my respirator with the detergent. Then I'll clean my hair and everything else with the body wash and shampoo. Neither of these have much of a smell to them. The body wash and shampoo has almost a medical smell to it. It just smells like soap. And neither of them will leave behind a smell on you or your clothes. Also, you will still need to use your favorite shampoo to get out the natural dirt and oil from your hair. This does not do a good job at cleaning like a normal shampoo does. It gets the lead out, but it won't get out anything else. Also, these containers are really weak. I dropped this from a 2-foot height and it's cracked, and about half of the detergent spilled out. So just be careful and don't drop either of these. If you'd like to learn more about lead exposure from shooting and how to reduce it, check out my blog with the link in the description below.